Shurley method, page 14, part 1. And we're going to do exercises 4, 5, and 6 today. So underline the correct homonym in each sentence. And like I told you guys before, I'd prefer that you actually circle it because it's easier for me to read when I grade it. That material is very coarse. So which one would it be, the first or the second? The first. Because this course means like a texture, right? Okay. The other course means like something you would navigate, like a golf course or something like that, right? I don't know how. The first one, because this one is like knowledge, and then the second one is just saying no to something. Did you eat the whole thing? Second. So this means part of, and then the other whole means like a circle that isn't solid, right? Okay. All right, you guys are going to do 4, 5, and 6 for homework. Exercise 5. Identify each pair of words as synonyms or antonyms by putting parentheses around their abbreviation. Once again, I really like you guys to circle it, okay? Virtuous, corrupt. So what do you guys think? There are antonyms because virtuous means you follow the rules and corrupt means you do your own thing and you do whatever you want. Okay? Cease, constant. Antonyms, because cease means that it stops. Constant means it just keeps going. Report, suppress. They're antonyms because reporting means you tell someone. Suppress means you hold it in. Okay. Number 10. Obscene, indecent. They're synonyms because both of them mean that it shouldn't be viewable or should not be seen. Okay. 11 and 12 you guys are going to do for homework. Remember, if you don't remember what it specifically means, some of these are bigger words, right? Okay. Then what could you do? Get the dictionary over here, right? And look up the word in the dictionary, or you could also get on dictionary.com and look for the definition, right? Okay. If you don't have access to a dictionary, which we of course do here at school, but if you didn't at home, then you could use that. Okay. For exercise 6, for each sentence, fill in the blanks according to the title and underline the correct verb in the sentence. So don't forget we have our rules 1 and 2, right? Okay. If it's a singular subject, then then the verb ends in s. Okay. If it's a plural subject, it does not end in an s, and you is also considered plural, right? So let's see. Kim drive to school. What's our subject? Kim, right? Is that singular or plural? Singular. So we're going to use rule number 1. Okay. And then, so we said if it's rule 1, it has to end with a what? S. So which one of those has an S in it? Doesn't. And then we're going to check it to make sure it makes sense. Doesn't Kim drive to school? Does that make sense? Yes. Yes. So it sounds grammatically correct as well. Mike, a new swimming pool. What is our subject there? Mike. Is that singular or plural? Singular. Rule number 1. Okay. So rule number 1 says it has to have an S at the end. So let's read it and double check ourselves. Mike has a swimming pool. Does that make sense? Yes. Blake and Brett. And then we have pizza. So what's our subject? Blake and Brett. And that's plural. So rule number 2. So it should not have an S, right? So the first one, Blake and Brett love pizza. Makes sense? Okay. Ryan, a purple tie. What is our subject? Ryan. Singular or plural? Singular. So rule number 1. And rule number 1 says we have to have an S, right? Yeah. So Ryan has a purple tie. Makes sense? Yeah. Okay. They on the patio. What's our subject? They. Singular or plural? Plural. Rule number 2. And rule number 2 says no S. So we would go with weren't. They weren't on the patio. Makes sense? Okay. You guys are going to do 18, 19, 20, and 21 for homework. So, for homework, 4, 5, 6, 11, 12, 18, 19, 20, and 21, right? Okay, so that's all.